Hi, this is Ian. I just wanted to say a few words about Matt's YouTube course. Now, I already have a YouTube channel, but I picked up a lot of hints and tips about how I can improve it from this course. That, however, was a bonus. The reason I bought the course is because I want to branch out and produce other YouTube channels. And the course is full of super ideas, hints, tips, topics, and so on for anyone to start making YouTube videos. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you're not sure what to start a channel about, what topic to use, if you're not sure that you want to appear on camera, you don't have to. It's good if you do, but if you don't want to, don't worry about that. Even if you don't want to make your own videos, Matt's course shows you how to create YouTube channels around that. And it is so full of useful and helpful, valuable information, hints and tips. It's absolutely brilliant. If you want to start a YouTube channel, I can't think of a better course to put you on the right track. And you also get access to Matt's Facebook group, and he is super helpful. He's a really great guy. He's a cool guy. He answers all the questions that people have posted in the group. So really, it's a super course. It gets my thumbs up. Nice one, Matt.